Global tech entrepreneurs, global players in the tech ecosystem have called for a pause on experimentation of AI. Some people are saying, no, we don't need to take a pause. What we need to do is to have a conversation and then build products that would serve the needs of the people wherever it is that they are. And Nigerians are not far from those set of people. Right here in the city of Lagos, at Microsoft office, a group of stakeholders who are very much involved and interested in AI came together to discuss how both the producers, the developers, and the consumers would come together and use AI responsibly. Well, the host is here with me to give his perspective to this particular issue.
With great power comes great responsibility. We have been blessed with the gift of AI, artificial intelligence, and with that great power also comes great responsibility. Because there's a saying that for whatsoever does not have governance or a bit of structure around, it can eventually come back to haunt you, right? And I think in recent times, part of what you spoke to is the part around the fact that we've seen a lot of callback on AI in recent times, asking that AI be paused and all of those things. And that's why we are proud, we have the pleasure to be partnering with Microsoft on this very, very massive project. Talking about responsible AI dashboard is a new responsible AI dashboard. It's a one-stop shop that helps to assess your AI models. Talking about how do you collect your data, how fair is your data, how inclusive is your data, how less biased is your data, because we understand the fact that we might probably not have been able to get it 100%, but limiting it to the barest minimum is what we're trying to do here. And that's what this event is really talking about.
Great.
Talking about how responsible you have to be. And talking about responsibility, it doesn't really just mean that we're talking about the data scientists, the data engineers, but it's talking about the entire ecosystem. I mean, talking about you collecting the data, how fair is the data? So you have to carry that consciousness in your mind that, okay, this data that I'm collecting, it's going to be used for a lot of things. So you need to be deliberate about it. When you're building your model, you need to call out some of the things you're going to put into those data. Oh, I'm picking a data that is black. It's just going to be maybe for this side. So which you know that due to environmental factors, physical factors, it might probably have an impact as opposed to a data that's collected in. So all of those things needs to be put in place. Those biases need to be,
Fantastic.
because we understand the part that if we want to go the route of using AI, as powerful as it is, we also need to put in some measures, those governance measures, whereby you need to call out the fact that, oh, okay, I'm collecting the data from this side is only inclusive of a particular side, not necessarily generalizing it as it is. And that's why this session is focusing on professionals and non-professionals. Non-professionals in the sense that they don't understand what AI means in its entirety, but it cut across everybody.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And
Yes,
so
I will.
frisky before we go fist bump.
Tech Hub for a smarter you.